Hello, hello. It's Catherine with Mom Talk Educate. I am just popping in just to have a little chat. So I just wanted to pop in here and just explain a little bit about the live webinar that is happening next week. So this webinar is the perfect opportunity for you to find out if you want to take those steps to scale your business. And they are going to cover over 3 days, so 40 minutes per day, the simple strategies and steps that you can get started with to implement right away to start making 2 or 3 or 4 times the amount that you are currently making on your photography. And I know that it might sound too good to be true. And maybe you think to yourself, I couldn't do it. I don't believe that anybody would pay me that. I haven't been able to book with what I'm currently trying to price at. But the thing is, it's not about the market being overly saturated. It's not about what your competitors are charging. Sometimes if you feel like there's absolutely no way anybody's going to pay me that, there's no way I can do it, I don't have the experience, I'm not as good as those people that are charging. I will be honest though, I do recommend those that are established photographers who already have a client base, who already have their business set up. Those are the ones that I would recommend joining the webinar. But if you're in the very beginning stages, it doesn't hurt for you to learn, okay? If you're capable of taking portraits and charging for them in general, then you can do this. And I really, really, really encourage you to think about how it could benefit you. I had already been doing photography for, goodness gracious, probably like 7 or 8 years. And I think the most I was making was like $800 or $900 a session. But I would say on average, people were spending between $500 and $700 a session. And you might think, well, that's really great money. But when you consider how much goes into every client, and especially if you want to offer more than basic services, if you want to really show them you care, you want to go the extra mile to make their session amazing, if you want to really put that time and effort into perfecting your workflow and your editing and your wrapping skills, that means you're investing in your education and you're spending so much money on providing the best of the best for your clients. At the end of the day, you have to make more in order to grow your business. It's not just about how many sessions you can get through. And I know firsthand that when I was going through everything, there was this one month, it was actually during COVID, that because my area wasn't shut down. And so photographers could keep working through COVID. And I remember I was really stressed that I was gonna get shut down. So I was taking every client that would book in. So I remember this specifically. It was the month of June. I'll never forget this. And I had booked 20 newborn sessions back to back. So every single day I had a newborn session for 20. I took weekends off, but I worked Monday to Friday, a newborn session every single day. And I have to just point something out. It didn't make me rich. All it did was burn me out. And so at that moment, I realized that not only did I attract a range of type of clientele, I attracted really amazing clients, and I attracted budget hunters, budget seekers, the ones that don't want to spend an arm and a leg, the ones that, expect everything from you and want to, they want everything, but they don't want to pay for it, that type of client. And I was burnt out. I was exhausted. I worked my butt off, and I did these 20 newborn sessions in a row. And let me tell you, by the 4th or 5th session, I was sick and tired of them. I was like, I don't want to do this, but I have like another 15 to get through. And I'm the type of person that I want to give my all to a newborn session. I don't want to be booking multiple newborns in one day. So I only did one per day to save my sanity. Plus it was COVID, so I was spending 2 hours sanitizing everything after the session. So keep that in mind. But after getting through that month, I was like, I can't do this. I don't know how anybody can do a bazillion sessions and A, keep their sanity, B, love what they're doing and continue to love what they're doing. I don't know how you can't lose your creative spark when you have that many sessions in a row. And I realized this isn't sustainable. It's just, I can't do it. So I had to change my business. I had to change my pricing system. I had to change everything that I was doing. And that was the turning point for me where I realized that I had been doing it all wrong. It wasn't about my competitors. It wasn't about the saturated market. It wasn't about who's charging what and how much are they charging. And I should be charging a little bit more, a little bit less, or I've already upped my prices. It's about being confident with your system and with your company policies. You automatically start to attract those type of clients, and suddenly you're starting to build a sustainable business where you get to make a living wage. And I don't know if like you're brand new to the business or if you've been in business for a while, but let me tell you, if you're honest with your expenses and you're honest with your income and your revenue, when you're just a photographer that's all inclusive, sending proofing galleries and charging $500 a session or $700 a session, by the end of the year, after you calculate all of your expenses and all of your overhead and how many hours you put into every session, your net take home, after taxes, is not very much. Not if you're honest. And after you pay your taxes and you see what's left over and you're like, holy crap, I worked that hard and I did that many sessions. I only got to keep this much at the end of the year. That's insane. Like most often times you're making less than minimum wage. So anywho, I'm not trying to be ranting or anything. I'm just trying to be real and be honest and fully transparent that if you're in the photography business and you haven't yet taken a business class or you haven't yet made a business strategy or laid those foundations for your business, this is the perfect opportunity for you to get some insight, learn some simple strategies, and really take control over your business and your photography. And I'm just really happy that I have the ability to do this and teach others and share my knowledge. And I'm doing it for $24. Okay, you cannot go wrong. $24. And the replays are available for 24 hours after the live, and then they go away. You do have the option to pay $10. That's it, $10, and you can keep the replays for lifetime access. Now, I know that if I had the option to do this when I needed to change my business model and my strategies and everything, I would have jumped on this in a heartbeat. So I hope that if you are struggling or if you're just burnt out and you just want to build some simple steps to change your business and change it for the better, then join this webinar. 3 days, 3 minutes each day. Watch the replay and start implementing these steps immediately and growing your business. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see all the people that have joined up. This is going to be really fun, you guys, and I cannot wait for Tuesday to come. Talk to you soon.